Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix cannot send message. iMessage needs to be enabled to send this message. For example, if in iMessage you're trying to send a message to anyone on iPhone and you see this kind of error, so how you can fix that? For first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to check whether your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or not. And here what you have to do, you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router, and the next thing you have to do is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode, and after that after a few seconds you have to turn it on again. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to simply go back and look for the option of general. So here you have to click on that, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset network settings, and after resetting all network setting, you have to make sure that all of your network has been restarted. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply again click on setting, and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of messages. So here you have to click on that, and here what you have to do, you have to make sure that this iMessage toggle is turned on. And it is if it is turned on, then okay. Then if it is not turned on, then you have to turn this on. And if it is turned on, then you have to simply turn off for some second, and after that you have to turn it on again so that it can be restarted. So in this way you have to make sure that all of the settings are enabled for the iMessage related to SMS, and you have to make sure that this send as SMS option is also turned on. And after that you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can go for Safari, and you have to check for Apple Support, and you have to provide the problem to Apple Support, and where you can ask for the solution, and they will provide you a better way to solve this error. So hope you have liked this video. If you're gonna get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.